Hi, I'm Brianne, and I'm standing at the construction site of the future Roosevelt Station. Let's go inside and check it out. So what's going on here, Ryan?
They're making tiebacks, which are steel supports inserted into the station wall. Let's go to the east side of the construction site and check out the station box.
Sounds good, let's go.
This is where we're excavating the station box. This conveyor belt is removing the excavated soil and taking it up to those waiting trucks. This soil hasn't seen the light of day for 8,000 to 10,000 years, pretty much since the last ice age.
For more information on this and other projects, follow us on social media and visit us at soundtransit.org.